You ever wake up already tired, overwhelmed, or just emotionally off? Like the day hasn't even started yet, and somehow you already feel behind. Because that used to be me. And then I accidentally changed one tiny thing in my mornings. And honestly, I didn't expect this to happen to my brain. Neuroscience says that the first hour after waking up shapes your brain more than most people realize. So, I decided to test something. I replaced 10 minutes of morning scrolling with 10 minutes of neurographic art. That's it. And then something happened that genuinely surprised me. I stopped craving my phone in the morning, which is weird. Because if you're anything like me, somehow the phone ends up in your hands before even your brain starts waking up. But after doing this tiny ritual for a while, I noticed something else. The day stopped feeling like I was already behind before even I started. My mornings felt calmer, my brain felt quieter, less scattered, more like me. And when I started looking into why this is happening, the explanation honestly surprised me. It has a lot to do with the dopamine. And no, not that fake productivity guru version of dopamine. I'm talking about the kind that actually helps you feel focused, motivated, and mentally clear. Because let's be honest, so many of us wake up and immediately scroll. Just in minutes. Instagram, TikTok, news, text, emails. Well, no judgments. I've done that too. But neuroscience shows something important. Scrolling gives your brain tiny, fast dopamine hits. Tiny reward, tiny reward, tiny reward. Your brain gets stimulated, but not truly energized. And over time, your brain starts expecting stimulation. And this all is even before it creates anything, before it thinks, before it moves, and even before it checks in with yourself. And it changed the whole emotional tone of the day. Because neurographic art in the morning gave me a completely different kind of dopamine. The kind connected to action, to focus, to creating something, to finishing something, and to feeling, okay, my brain is actually awake now. And honestly, it feels very different because instead of borrowing energy from the internet, you create energy yourself. And I think there is another reason mornings matter so much, especially outside, especially around sunrise. Because neurologically, this is when your brain is incredibly receptive. Morning sunlight helps regulate your biological clock, your energy, your mood, your focus, even your sleep later at night. But this part fascinates me most. Your brain is still in the beautiful in between state, not fully analytical yet, not fully in problem solving mode. And it's almost like the door to your subconscious. It is still open right now. And actually, that's why some of your best ideas arrive in the shower, on a walk, or right after you wake up. Your brain is less noisy, more connected, more intuitive. And actually, mornings feel like borrowing wisdom from the version of yourself that still knows what actually matters. So, if you have been feeling overwhelmed, overstimulated, or just not fully like yourself lately, maybe tomorrow morning before scrolling or instead of scrolling, try something different. Just 10 minutes. Grab a marker, go outside, if you can, of course, and see what happens to your brain. I already have a few quick neurographic tutorials on this channel, which will be perfect for the mornings, and I'm definitely making more. So, if this kind of brain friendly morning ritual sounds like something you need right now, subscribe for the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.